for the lights in London City. Slick, smooth, stylish, swagger fly through your being classy. Man to woman, smoke the same to it, we captivate. 12 to 6 is the time to go and circulate. Playing the game like it's a game of chess. So you out to your mates finest, fine to the top being the best. Going out to the rich and famous, blessed to impress. Say it will take over and every thought from it will obsess. Big level you reach, you need to have the right backing. Stick us to his plain life like your babe. Always falling for the glamorous and at all dark. You need to be petite, like Kaiser Sose, full of tricks, walking away discreet. You need to have a good mind of knowledge as your mentor to educate. Having a smart defense at arm's length you activate. Rolling the dice, making your own luck and fate. A nice Armani shirt, splashes some Chanel, coupling today. The game's full of haters and cats, watch out for the snitch. Knocking them out of head, you motherfucking bitch. You turn left to drink Hennessy, a bottle of brandy. When you're bored, drink the drink, you distract and becoming angry. In the game you have rivals, to each other you compete. You may win the battle, I win the war, to you I will defeat. Snorting much in Hollywood, you become good at acting. Like Junior Arnie to haters, you carry on acting. Making or breaking it, instilling an attribute of being brave. Satan's name flowing through drinking and smoking a West End rave. In a crew you designate to coordinate, as you think hard to innovate, to elevate. In Satan you are what you eat. Going for a stroll, hand in hand, pass from street to street. Your true colours will show when you hear a glitch. 9 times out of 10 it's from the wrong fucking rich. In-game joining forces, your crew, gang on click. Trading cool, flexing their muscles, becoming smart, sharp and fit. To the young and gifting, taking them under your wing. When you're winning to a Philly, you dance and sing. As life will move on, saying we'll have an army. Have we fallen? It's time to get deadly.